Hello everyone, it's Cynthia here again, and like I told y'all a little bit ago, we are about to go fishing. We're out here at the bay, and I'm about to be putting the shrimp on my hook to cast my hook out there to try to catch something. May not get nothing, but we're going to give it a heck of a shot to try to catch something. And like I said, later today it will be the canoeing. It was supposed to be vice versa, but if you see my earlier video, right before this one, there was ants in the canoe. So we're waiting for them to settle down so we can get them out. But we are going to give it one heck of a shot today on the bay out here. And as y'all can see, the water's nice, so hopefully we can catch something. Alrighty, as y'all can see, I got my shrimp on my hook. Yes, it's moving around a little bit, so hopefully y'all can see that. And I'm about to go ahead and cast it. And it will probably get quiet for a few while we wait to see if we get any bites. You can hear the water hitting up against the rocks. It's pretty peaceful, pretty quiet, and it's a nice morning. Catch something? Don't know. Got a nibble, but not a catch. I had something messing with mine, but didn't get no bite. But I did get some nibbles. Y'all can see it's a little looser now. Now I have to get it back on there. Make it a little harder for them to get it. There we go. Wrap that through a little bit more there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I wrapped it back through. So that way it's a little harder for them to get off. I smelt the nibble, but I think they got away from me. And it was a good bite too, but I didn't catch it. So right now it's a little active. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I'm having to use my feet to keep it going, so that way I have both my hands for my fishing pole. Let me go ahead and roll it in because it may have gotten my bait. Check my bait out real quick. Oh yeah. Y'all can see it actually got a good pull on that bait. Almost got my bait all the way off. Like I said, it was a good bite, just didn't get to catch it. So, try again. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for right now, so that way y'all don't have to just sit here and just watch this. Y'all will be seeing this throughout the video. So I'm gonna pause it, and if I get a bite, I will be sure enough to show y'all that on camera. Alrighty, everybody. Well, we didn't have no luck while we were out here, but it's alright. Did get a couple of nibbles, but they stole our shrimp like usual. So we'll probably try that again later this evening or tomorrow evening. If not tomorrow, this weekend. This coming up weekend. But we should be out on the canoe later today, so be prepared for that video. And also be watching for the supper video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. And y'all have a great morning. And thank you for liking and subscribing in advance. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you can be notified by my upcoming videos. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.